So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom Group share. So today the stock has showed little bit of buying momentum and it has ended on positive note. So first discussing about today's market condition. So we know a little bit of downtrend followed by consolidation was observed in the market, and many stocks, especially small cap and mid cap, have corrected drastically. So few stocks have fell 5%, 4%, and a few even fell even more than 6%. But should you panic? So of course you should not panic at the current levels. You need to search for buying opportunities. So once they start retracing, so definitely you will have some very good profit. So from the last months we have seen little bit of bull run in market. So now if any consolidation or downtrend is observed, you need to search for average opportunities. So few stocks that you have discussed on a regular basis, so all of them are still having a very good momentum. So few are correcting because of the market condition, so search for buying opportunities. So discussing about Brightcom Group, so recently we know that EGM has also been completed and the record date for the bonus issue, so many people had doubts related to that, so that date also has been fixed. So that is 28th of August. So ratio as usual what we discussed in the previous sessions, so 1:4 is the ratio. So these are some basic details that I wanted to discuss related to Brightcom Group. So now let's go to technical charts and we'll try to find out what are the major support regions that we need to focus. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts because already the stock is in NSE B category, so we can't compare the traded quantity versus deliverable quantities because whenever they belong to such category, so obviously 100% would be visible. So if you see today's momentum, you have not seen any upper circuit, and in the same way you have not seen any lower circuit, but you can see a neutral to positive movement was observed in Brightcom Group. So that was around 3.47% positive momentum. So if you see current price also, it is around 38.80. So now as I told, the record date is also approaching, especially for the bonus issue. So many people who wanted to buy this particular stock and many people who wanted to book the profit, so since the past 3 to 4 sessions they could not do that because the stock was in lower circuit. So now the important level comes here is the 35 rupees level. So approximately nearly we also have the 50-day exponential moving average, which is near 31. So these are only the support levels that we need to observe. So moving towards the resistance side, we can say that the next resistance would be around 45 rupees level. So once it crosses that 45, we can expect a smooth movement in the stock. But as we discussed, so important dates whenever they are present in the near term, so the stock also reacts accordingly. So make sure you're watching all the levels followed by near term dates and updates. So these are the positive things that are present for Brightcom Group. So stock wise also we discussed it is just for long term. So once you're investing, you need to forget about that. So not buying on means buying, selling, so that sort of activity should not be done. So once you're invested, you need to hold for a specific period of time. So many stocks have corrected. So if you're having any doubts, do ask in Instagram also, and whatever the stocks we have discussed for long term and short term, so those are performing very well, especially related to electric vehicle segments. So all these stocks you need to keep in radar. So once opportunity comes, try to average. So that is what I can say. So further, if you're having any queries, you can ask in the comment section and also connect with me in Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.